Birds of paradise like to dance. They zig and zag as they prance. They're covered in colorful feathers. They keep them warm in freezing weather. Their tails are long. Wading through the jungle, this helps them move along. Birds of paradise, birds of paradise, birds of paradise. Jackfish are big and round. They're the only cold-blooded fish we found. When parasites make them itch, jackfish will jump and twitch. When they lie on their side just so, birds clean them from above and fish from below. Go jackfish, go jackfish, go jackfish.